Most students who want to become full stack developers build basic projects like a to-do app or simple blog. But companies and hackathon judges are looking for something different. They want projects that show real-world system design, scalability, and problem solving. So in this video, I will show you 10 full stack projects that are strong enough for placements, hackathons, and even real startup ideas. And remember, building just 2 or 3 of these properly is more powerful than building 10 small projects. Now let's begin with the first one. Microservices based multi-vendor e-commerce platform. A scalable e-commerce system where multiple sellers can list products, manage inventory, and customers can purchase from different vendors in one platform. This platform simulates how marketplaces like Amazon operate, managing sellers, products, orders, and payments. Why it stands out for placements? It demonstrates system design knowledge, microservices architecture, API development, database design, authentication, and payment integration. Exactly what companies expect from full-stack engineers. And why hackathon judges would love it? Because it shows a real startup-ready platform with practical impact and strong technical depth. And the number 2 project is Real-Time Collaborative Code Editor. A web-based code editor where multiple users can edit the same file simultaneously in real time. Similar to Google Docs but designed for developers, allowing teams to collaborate on code remotely. Why it stands out for placement? Because it demonstrates WebSocket communication, real-time data synchronization, and collaborative architecture, which are advanced full-stack concepts. And why hackathon judges love it? Because real-time collaboration platforms always impress judges because they showcase complex engineering and strong user experience. Now let's talk about the third project, that is AI-powered SaaS productivity platform. A productivity tool that helps users manage tasks, generate summaries, or automate workflows using AI. Users can organize work, automate reports, and generate insights with AI assistance. Why it stands out for placement is this project shows that you can integrate AI APIs with full-stack systems, which is currently one of the most demanded developer skills. And why hackathon judges love it? AI-based productivity tools demonstrate innovative and real usability, which is exactly what hackathons rewards. Coming to the project 4, that is skill-based job matching platform. A job portal where candidates are matched with jobs based on their skills rather than just keywords. It analyzes user profiles, resumes, and job description to recommend relevant job opportunities. For placements, it is good because it demonstrates search algorithms, data filtering, recommendation systems, and scalable backend design. And you would ask why hackathon judges love it? Because it solves a real problem faced by students and job seekers worldwide. Coming to the fifth project, that is system design based URL shortener. A service that converts long URLs into short links similar to Bitly. Users can share shorter URLs while the system handles redirection and analytics. Why it stands out for placement? This project demonstrates system design concepts like scalability, caching, hashing, and database optimization. Why hackathon judges love it? It's simple for users but technically challenging to build efficiently. And the number 6 project is live coding interview platform. A platform where interviewers and candidates can solve coding problems together in real time with video communication. How it serves? Company can conduct coding interviews remotely with collaborative coding tools. Why it stands out for placement is it shows knowledge of WebRTC, real-time communication, code execution environments, and complex UI design. And why hackathon judges love it? Because it solves a major problem in remote hiring. Coming to the next, that is 7th project, Smart Campus Super App. A single application that integrates campus services like attendance, events, notices, and resources. Students and faculty can access multiple services through one unified platform. Why it stands out for placement? It demonstrates large-scale application architecture and integration of multiple modules. Why hackathon judges love it? Hackathon loves projects that solve community or institutional problems, and campuses are a perfect example. Coming to the 8th project, that is crowdfunding platform with payment integration. A platform where users can raise funds for projects, startups, or social causes. People can create campaigns, share them, and receive donations securely. Why it stands out for placement is it demonstrates secure payment systems, authentication, and transaction handling, which are critical real-world backend skills. And why hackathon judges love it? Because crowdfunding platforms show clear social impact and real-world usability. Coming to the 9th project, that is offline-first progressive web app for rural services. A web application that works even without internet connectivity using offline storage and synchronization. Users in low connectivity areas can access services and sync data when internet becomes available. Why it stands out for placement? It demonstrates PWA architecture, service workers, caching strategies, and offline data handling. Why hackathon judges love it? Because it addresses digital accessibility challenges in developing regions. Coming to the last and 10th project, that is multi-tenant developer portfolio and blogging platform. A platform where developers can create personalized portfolio and technical blogs. Each user can manage their portfolio, showcase projects, and publish articles. Why this stands out for placement? It demonstrates multi-tenant architecture, authentication system, and content management features. Why hackathon judges love it? Because it supports developer communities and knowledge sharing. Don't try to build all 10. Pick 2 projects that excite you the most and build them properly. And here's what I want you to do. Go to the comments and type build the 2 projects you want to build by typing its name. These 2 projects with the highest demand will get complete step-by-step implementation videos on this channel. So that's it for today. Thank you guys.